Good morning, everyone. Today, let us see the inverse trigonometric functions, part 2. See, what are the relation between different inverse trigonometric functions? They are classified into different names. One of them is reciprocal relation. See, what are in these relations? Reciprocal relations says sine inverse x is equal to cosec inverse 1 by x, cos inverse x is equal to sec inverse 1 by x, and tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. In the reverse way also, we can say that cosec inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 by x, sec inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 by x, and cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Let us see how this happens. Here is the proof for that. Let us consider sine inverse x is equal to theta. Shifting sine inverse means x is equal to sine theta. Reciprocating both sides, 1 by x is equal to 1 by sine theta. That means 1 by x is equal to 1 by sine theta is cosec theta. Now shift cosec to left side, becomes cosec inverse 1 by x is equal to theta. Now what theta was taken as sine inverse x. So here is the proof for one, and the remaining you can try with the same sense. Next type of relation is complementary relation. We know in smaller classes we had that complementary relation as sine theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, like that. They were complementary relation for trigonometric function. Let us see here what are the complementary relations for inverse trigonometric functions. Here they are. They are sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Let us see again what is the proof for this. I will prove one of them and remaining you have to try. See here. Let us consider sine inverse x is equal to theta. The same way we are writing x is equal to sine theta. That means x equal to, now the RHS sine theta can be rewritten as cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Now shifting cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Substitute that theta was taken as sine inverse x. Therefore that line become cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. Take sine inverse x to left side, minus becomes plus. Therefore we are getting sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. These two upcoming formulas are considered as very important. They are tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Let us prove this. To prove, we are considering tan inverse x is equal to theta and tan inverse y is equal to some phi. It gives x equal to tan theta and y equal to tan phi. Consider the relation tan of theta plus phi. We know it is tan theta plus tan phi by 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. That means tan of theta plus phi is equal to, replace what tan theta you got as x plus tan phi as y. So it right side become x plus y by 1 minus xy. Shift tan to next side, remaining theta plus phi is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Replace theta, what theta was taken as tan inverse x. Therefore you have the last line, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now let us see how to convert one inverse trigonometric function to the other. For an example, let us consider tan inverse 1. So we will think that what is that angle for tan for which the value is 1. We know it is pi by 4. Therefore tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. But the same pi by 4 can be equated as sine inverse 1 by root 2, because sine pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2, again which is same as cos inverse 1 by root 2. That means tan inverse 1, sine inverse 1 by root 2 and cos inverse 1 by root 2 all are equal to one another. See how they are equal. You consider a right triangle, one of the angle be theta. Now you consider tan inverse 1 is equal to theta, tan inverse 1 equal to theta. Shifting tan, what you are getting is 1 equal to tan theta, right? Now this 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So finally we have 1 by 1 is equal to tan theta. Remember the definition of tan theta, it is opposite side by adjacent side. You have 1 by 1, therefore opposite side is 1 and adjacent side is 1. In a right triangle, when these two sides are given using Pythagoras theorem, what the hypotenuse should be? It is root of 1 square plus 1 square. You will get it as root 2. Now from the same triangle, you find what is sine theta. What is sine theta? Definition is opposite side by hypotenuse gives 1 by root 2. So sine theta is 1 by root 2. Therefore theta is sine inverse 1 by root 2. What cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse, you will get cos inverse 1 by root 2. Therefore, using a simple technique of right triangle and Pythagoras theorem, you can convert an inverse trigonometric function to any other inverse trigonometric function. See here, when it is sine inverse 1 by root 2, it is same as cosec inverse root 2. Remember the relation. Similarly, cos inverse 1 by root 2 is also same as sec inverse root 2. What are the multiple relations we have? These are the multiple relations. 2 tan inverse x can be written in 3 different ways. They are multiply related to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, and sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Let us see the proof one by one. Here is the proof for you. We can write 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, right? So right side now is of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, but instead of y, there is x itself. Therefore, 2 tan inverse x becomes tan inverse of x plus x by 1 minus x into x, using x instead of y. What remains equal to is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Now, consider the same right triangle with an acute angle theta. Consider here what you get. Tan inverse is 2x by 1 minus x square. That means 2x is the opposite side and 1 minus x square is the adjacent side. So here 2x is the opposite side and 1 minus x square is the adjacent side. How to find hypotenuse? Let us use the Pythagorean relation. 2x the whole square plus 1 minus x square the whole square is expanding and simplifying. You will finally reach at 1 plus x square whole square, so that you are getting the hypotenuse as 1 plus x square. Now from this relation, see what sine theta should be. Opposite side by hypotenuse means 2x by 1 plus x square. Therefore that relation is sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. What cos theta in the same triangle is adjacent by hypotenuse, which is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. That means cos inverse 1 minus x square by